In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to 1 hour. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it and select OK in Welcome pop-up. Following that, tap on Timeout and click on 1 hour at the bottom of the list. Then go into Tab menu and tap on this icon, the Edit one, at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down, look for Caffeine shortcut and add it to your current ones. Let go, go back and tap on your new shortcut. As you can see, after that, 1 hour sleep time is on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!